So you have to do one order, two order, three order, all separate, but we combine them into one position. So this is our trading terminal.
Okay.
And you can see here, you can see the list.
We can manage all the trading at one place. So what is your roadmap for the next 2 to 3 years or something?
I cannot give it to you.
Oh, hi Ben, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good too. So Ben, let me know like what is your product about, as I know you are having a trading platform and you are already doing great with the registered user, 80K users. But I know like there are a lot of applications in the market. Applications are available in the market like Binance, Hugo, Bitmart and a lot of things. So may I know like what is the difference between your applications and the other applications?
So our application is a multi-exchange crypto trading platform, which allows you to trade on multiple exchanges at the same time. So for example, if you have a Binance account, you can connect your Binance account into our application and you can use our terminal to trade. You may ask, well, why would I not just trade on Binance? That's because we add extra functionality on top of what Binance offers. So Binance offers market orders, limit orders, stop limit orders, to some extent take profit orders, but they don't add the extra functionality for full positions. So if you're used to trading on futures, then with futures you always create a position, and then you can use reduce only functions to create your take profits and your stop loss, and it will execute the position for you. But on spot exchanges that doesn't exist. We offer that functionality on top of spot exchanges. So basically it allows you to trade in a similar way without using futures. So it allows you to scale in the market. So easily set up like 4 or 5 to 10 orders in like 2 seconds. On the exchange, you have to do that in multiple goes. You have to do 1 order, 2 order, 3 order, all separate, but we combine them into one position. And then you can add take profit levels to that as well. So that means that you can set up one take profit or multiple. So as soon as something buys, then it will place a take profit to sell your coins again. So we're all in it to make money. So we're all in it to, everything that we buy will be sold again. And then you can set up multiple take profits. So as soon as something it gets bought, then your take profit levels will be adjusted automatically. And this allows you to do trading. Like for example, you've been here today, you haven't been able to trade, right? Because you need to be confident that your trades work out the way that you expect them to. So you need to be behind your computer, you need to be close to your computer. With our platform, you can set up your trades in the morning and you get updates on your phone if you need to do anything, or if you just get profit updates.
So it is a automation based application, so it will help us to diversify and segment as well. Correct?
Yes.
Okay.
And it also allows, the main thing is that you can trade on multiple exchanges. And especially if you see what happened to FTX, you need to be able to spread out your portfolio. But if you, a lot of people say, okay, take your money off the exchanges. But if you take your money off the exchanges, it's dormant. It doesn't do anything anymore. It just lays there and it goes up and down in value, but you cannot capitalize on the price action in the market. So it's important to have part of your portfolio on the exchange. Active trading on the exchange will increase your portfolio faster than just holding it in your offline wallet.
Okay. So I have a few questions regarding, like as you have mentioned, like you can connect your wallet or your applications like Binance or something. So is it work with the other decentralized platforms like MetaMask, Trustpilot? Can we connect it?
So the issue with decentralized exchanges at the moment is that they're too slow. Like you can only do swaps. A lot of them don't have order books. Some do, but they're pools. They're not actual order books. So you need a level 2 order book.
So what are the major applications you are collaborating with? Like as you mentioned, Binance. Is there any other?
Yeah, so we are connected to 18 exchanges. So we have Binance, Bybit, Hucoin, OKX, Huobi, Crypto.com, Gate.io, Kraken, Poloniex.
Okay. So I know, like as you have got this 18 supported exchanges. So what are the procedure to get the support from those organizations? Because I know if someone is making the automation into their platforms, so there are some guidelines which we need to follow to make the trades.
So we have partnerships with all the exchanges. We have agreements with them, and we have support. So the exchanges have acknowledged the fact that brokers like us or platforms like us have a benefit for them, because people that use our platform will trade more. Generally, their volume will be a lot higher than someone who's just buying some coins and leaving them on the exchange.
Is there any percentage amount they are taking from you to manage these things? Because if they are collaborating with you, so maybe some charges will or something, some charges will taken from the Binance or something other platforms. Those your
So our subscription, our revenue model is a subscription-based model. So users that trade on our platform pay us a monthly subscription fee, and for that they can trade as much as they want, and they pay the fees to the exchanges.
So we need to pay the one-time fee, and we don't need to worry about all the trades. Am I correct?
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
But I mean, you obviously still pay the fee on the exchange. So it depends on which exchange you trade. Some have zero fees, some have high fees. Have a Binance, for example, has low fees.
Okay. Can you show the example of your applications, like how it look like and how it goes?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Let me just connect to the correct internet.
Yeah, no issue with that.
So this is our trading terminal.
Okay.
And you can see here, you can see the list of all the markets or all the exchanges that you can trade on.
Okay.
And then each exchange has hundreds and hundreds of markets that you can trade on. And all your accounts are then linked into this one. So you don't need to change exchange, you don't need to swap. If you have sub-accounts on exchanges, you can also see that in the combined terminal.
And how we can connect to MetaMask or Trust Wallet, like by using...
No, we don't have connections to decentralized.
Decentralized. We are just using the centralized platform. It's like our wallet.
Yes, because our platform is for the faster traders.
Okay.
So we the centralized or decentralized exchanges are often very slow. It takes a long time for swaps to happen. And I'm talking about minutes or seconds for it.
Okay. So this is a test net or something, or this is a live version?
This is a live version.
Okay. So you can just give me some example, like how it is going to trade.
So for example, if I want to buy at these levels, I can create like what we call a ladder order, and I set it to 5. So this will mean that for $500, it will buy on these levels.
Okay. So by using your application, like how by your application we can improve the portfolio by diversifying, and also we can manage the automations to increase the ROI or the profit of the particular investment.
Yeah, exactly. So the standard functionality of the exchanges is very limited, but the way that traders work is that they place take profits. So in this case, you can set your take profit to this position, for example. So you have the 5 orders, and then you can add extra targets to that. And then, so in this case, you will scale out as well. So you scale in and you scale out. And then you can set up the last one, you can set up your take profit by trading take profit. And that means that it will follow the price up, and it will only sell your position once the price reverses. So if the upwards movement is done and it continues to go down, then you close your position, because then you maximize the profit for that specific.
Okay, so it is totally based on the automations though. So this application will take care about the like stop and loss. I mean,
yes, you can set this up depending on how often you trade. But if you trade like once a week, if you set it up on Monday, look at Sunday, what has happened, or you could do it at the beginning of the day.
And also this application help to trade for intraday and for a long run. Also your application provide the staking, farming, liquidity, or another things as well.
So everything in terms of wallets, coins, staking, that all happens on the exchange that you've selected. So your funds stay there, they are safe. We don't have access to that. So people that are worried,
You just only help for the trading mainly.
only for the trading. Yeah.
Okay, sounds good. So like I can see like you are having a 80K registered user worldwide. So are you guys using any blockchain system, existing blockchain system, or you have developed your own blockchain to develop this application?
So we don't use the blockchain systems ourselves. We're basically only providing, we're like TradingView. We're only providing you the technical stuff to actually trade. So you get your charts, you get your analytics, you get your trading indicators, you get your alerts, and then the trade form, they're very extended.
Okay, so is it on the Web 2 or Web 3?
It's Web 3.
It's Web 3. Okay, got it. So are you guys planning to switch into the Web 3 in the future?
Yes, of course, but it requires a good enough exchange So we're looking into the IDX, for example, because they have a fast level 2 order book, which makes it sort of suitable for our use case. But things like Uniswap, they're still too slow for us.
Okay. So what is your roadmap for the next 2 to 3 years or something?
I cannot give it to you because
Okay. This is the amazing thing he is letting us know. So I think we should utilize their app because everyone is diversifying their portfolio to generate good profit. And if we are not segmenting and if we are not diversifying by utilizing the different app, it's very when I'm doing the diversifying my portfolio. So it is very difficult to me to decide like where I'm going to trade today on a Binance, on a Hubai, on any other platforms. So I just want to do the one thing. We can just install their Altrady and we can manage all the trading at one place, and we can make sure like we are not going to get any huge losses in the crypto market, because I know like stock is already different from the crypto, and if we are going to use their application, then we can surely make the profits by using their app. And it was really great to talk to you, man.
talk to you as well.
Thank you. We will definitely let the audience know they can download your app and they can use your application to make huge profit.
Yeah, so we have a 14-day free trial.
Okay.
So if you're not sure about whether this is for you, try it out for 14 days for free using an actual exchange. Or if you're after 14 days, you're still not sure, you can use paper trading, which doesn't require any funds, doesn't require any subscription.
Okay.
You can fully test out the platform for as long as you want.
So guys, you can try this out for a 14 days free trial. And if you are going to paper trading, so it is going to be more extended, a long-term free paid subscription without any on investment. So we can definitely try this out and we can let you know in the next event like how it goes with my portfolio, because I know I generated huge profit and like 35x by using my strategies. But right now I'm looking into the different strategies like how I can manage the more accounts by using this type of automations. And that's really great. You are develop this type of application. We will let the audience know, so they can definitely use this applications to make profits.
Yes, for sure.
Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Bye-bye.